How to add payment method in Tamara. Now, first of all, open the Tamara app. So go to your phone and open the Tamara app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now go to payment methods. So tap on your profile account settings, select payment methods to see your current options. Now choose add new payment method. So tap the button that says add a new payment method. This will allow you to enter your cards or bank details. Now enter card or bank details. So type in your card number, expiry dates, and CVV code, and make sure all the details are correct to avoid errors. Now verify your payment method. So Tamara may ask for verification through OTP, one-time password, or email. Now enter the code you'll receive to confirm your payment method. Now set as a default. It's optional, of course. If you want, you can set this payment method as a default for future payments. This will make checkout faster next time. Finally, save and confirm. So tap save to add your payment method successfully, and you can now use it for purchases in the Tamara app. And this is how to add a payment method in Tamara. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.